What is up? It's your boy Green here, coming at y'all with another reaction video, and we got another request. I've been requested to look at some Robot Chicken Star Wars. I remember I used to watch this stuff way back in the day on Adult Swim. But yeah, we're gonna look at something called, I think it's Yarael Poof. Hopefully I found the right one. But yeah, let's get it. Go.
Much fear I sense in young Anakin. To be trained as a Jedi.
Wait, hold on. Who the hell is that over there?
He could bring balance to the Force.
Correct. You are.
I thought you said that would be bad.
From the prophecy, that boy could be.
Can I ask what the prophecy is?
Wait,
Why
who's
is that
this?
something I don't know?
I will tell him of the Council's decision tomorrow.
Oh, so it's a council now? It's not just the two of you? What about you, Dogface? Did you know that now it was a council?
Inform the Senate, we must, of our lessened ability to use the Force.
You know what?
Who can't use the Force now?
Yo, that's kind of true. I'm just peep. It do just be Yoda and Windu who just be talking to each other. I just now thought about that. It do just be those two who talk to each
I
other.
can still use the Force. Let's put that one to a vote because I don't even know what that means. Does anyone realize that I'm talking?
Enough for today. We should eat.
Getting pizza? Yarael Poof should do. All in favor?
Oh, I just got the coffee yesterday and I submitted the receipt, have yet to be reimbursed. Is anyone else having this issue? But oh look, if it's the will of the council, then I'll go. Fine. Listen, Yaddle, I'm gonna need to borrow your car.
In the shop it is?
I just saw it downstairs.
Oh, insurance and...
So I'm guessing this is the original
Okay,
character
then I
to
am going.
Robot Chicken.
I am one of 12
I have
Jedi
no
in
idea
the
who
whole
the fuck that
galaxy
is.
on the Jedi Council, and today it's my job to get the pizza. Sure, yeah, my parents, they're very proud. They didn't have calamari pizza because Mon Calamari are people, and I did not know that. Is everyone on the council dead? Oh, I better hurry then. My time is short.
Hey everyone, I'm Yoda. Talk weird, I do. Hate leads to anger, and anger leads to never letting anyone else talk.
Oh.
So all the clones were like pow pow pow, and it was awesome.
Damn.
Jedi bodies everywhere. It was so awesome.
I'm sure you killed all the Jedi, my master.
Of course I got them all, you moron. I said it was
Nope.
awesome. It wouldn't have been awesome if I'd missed any.
I'll have the bisque.
What the fuck?
And I'll have the cream of spinach, but not with that ladle, clumsy. Ladle. Ladle, ladle, ladle.
Ooh, cobbler.
Ladle. That's a funny word. Wait. I sense a disturbance in the Force.
Why he turned like that?
You didn't give us any crackers.
Everyone I know is dead.
Have you got any more mac and cheese?
Yes, we do.
Oh man, goofy as hell. Oh man, yeah, that is funny though. Saying how it was basically just Mace Windu and Yoda to just be talking to their damn selves on the council. It really did. It really was like that. God damn. But yo, if y'all enjoyed the reaction, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And if y'all have any other requests, please feel free leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.